Just started the Herald for the first time in a long while. I did prepare it, but yeah, the battery, despite being on charge, a bit of an issue, I think. Anyway, it's ticking over okay now. So this is a very untidy flying midget with Helga, the barmaid. A few sessions by the looks of things over there. Anyway, this is the wonderful flying midget free house come garage. And anyway, so onwards and upwards.
So, what am I supposed to be taking a picture of?
Me! I've no shame! I'm here! Katie! Katie!
No, stop! No, Father. Where are we going, Papa?
We're going to see the aeroplanes! Look at the pretty view out the windscreen!
Car. Or should I say van?
Cat hanging off the bumper.
Has he? My hat's gonna go bye-byes.
Hello!
My hat feels like it's gonna go bye-byes. This is not good.
Are you trying to tell me it did say it was 30, 60 VZ on my phone. I should have taken that as a hint.
He told me I didn't need a coat. It was too... Probably. He told me I didn't need a coat. He said it would be fine. It's warm outside. I am sat here like a snowman. I'm very cold. Please send hot chocolates my way. Thank you. Get ready, 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 get ready.
That's not too exciting. Perfect way to go.
And planes. Ah, my hood. No. Stay. Planes.
Yeah, they won't be here much longer, the British Airways ones.
Why?
Well, they've only been stored during lockdown. They'll be moving soon.
Oh, okay. Planes.
It's the
Wait! No! Oh no, it's further out. Never mind.
The old ones are still in. They haven't got down the museum, but you've got it here.
Yeah. All planes!
The Vulcan's not there. I can't see the Vulcan.
Yeah, the one that I got.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's still there. The one that I got to go in and you didn't. How do you feel?
I feel envious. I never got to press the big red button.
I
did.
You got to look from the steps.
Yeah, I got to stick my head through the cockpit. While you sat in the pilot seat.
That was the best thing, and I found photos of it, so that was even better.